Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back and joining me. Hey! Um, Here we were at a pop up shop. I'm working with my client. Her name is Simone. We did a pop up shop at Love Letter Boutique. This was in Tuttle Mall. Now, I'm going to go straight into what we're doing just so we can keep up with the video. Here we're going to start off with her brows. Now, with her brows, I am just going in an upward position as I'm filling it in. Very light strokes. It may look dark, but her eyebrows are pretty thin. So I ended up taking the spoolie just to be able to blend that out a little bit more where it's not as harsh. But it does look a little harsh, but we're gonna blend that out. Now in this step, I know my head might have got in the way a little bit, but we're just going to do the same thing on the opposite side of the face, which is filling it in, brushing it out, and concealing around. So here on Simone's eyes, I'm going in with my Ladyro Cosmetics. This is my eyeshadow palette exclusively on my website, which is to the right, booklrc.com. I have based Simone's eyes with the P. Louise primer. I'm not really sure which number this is. I don't really have it around me currently, but I will leave it in the description. I believe it is like number 3, I want to say. But I took the top 2 shades from my Ladyro Cosmetic palette, my Glam Night palette, and I'm just outlining the outer crease of her eye and then blending this out. So now I'm just going into Simone's eye area, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut out the crease of where I want to apply a different shade. I obviously want this portion to pop out. Now on the left hand on the left hand side, I'm sorry. On the opposite side, I'm just going to do the same process that I did. And of course, I'm just blending this out. So like even after I lay down and apply the Plouse primer, I will go back in with like a flat brush, and then I'll like smooth it out just so it's like not as harsh on the ends. Now currently I'm taking a flat brush and I'm going to contour her nostril area. Also, I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender and blend this out. This will be able to go ahead and transition from the harsh lines into a more smoother look. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pat that into her nostril area, just so we can blend that out a little bit further. So currently, I'm just still contouring areas of Simone's face. Just taking my contour brush and just going around certain portions of the face. As a part of my signature makeup package, I do include the lip scrub. This actually does allow the dead skin to come off of your lips prior to applying any lipstick or lip gloss application. Simone is super funny. She actually made that face because she ended up like eating some of the scrubs. I guess it tasted a little weird, but it was an orange flavor. So it wasn't too bad, but I ended up taking a wipe and making sure that I wipe that off just to get some of the dead skin off as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with a lip liner pencil. This is a little bit of a darker shade. It's like a maroon color or like a brownish color. I'm just outlining the outer portion of her lips so then we can go ahead and get the application started. So here we have the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my website and follow my Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course all of the love will be returned. Thank you so much. Talk to you later, dolls. Bye.